Drive the 2014 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Henny and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, trailer hitch receiver. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.